Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Techno Mintra. This is Ankita Agarwal. Today we are going to learn about how we can work upon the headlines in the HTML language. Basically, we have learned that we will be working on the NetBeans ID. That is basically ID that is for learning the Java code, the JavaScript, and even we can work on HTML also. So over here I have already created a project. In that I will be creating a new HTML file. If you want, you can name it on your own, or you can leave it as by default. So let's finish it, and now you can see one file will be generated. So basically headline is like something. So what you can hear, default one has been created. So if you want, you can delete some of the lines from it, because what we have learned till now is like the basic HTML tag, the head, the title, the body. So basically over here we will be working upon the headings. Like I just show you one screen. Over here you can see this is the image in which you can see some of the headlines like computer over here, or maybe Wikipedia over here, or this free encyclopedia. So what you can see, these are the headlines which have been written in a different font or maybe in a different font style. So basically in HTML we will be learning about these. So over here when we will be working, so on the title you can write down anything over here, maybe the first web page. So over here now what we will be doing is inside the body, the heading tag basically work inside the body, and basically it supports 6 levels of headings that range from H1 to H6. So H1 is basically the largest and H6 is the smallest. So let's start working. So these tags are basically like that have the closing as well as the ending tags, like opening as well as the closing. So H1, same way H2, then maybe 2. So I will be writing all of them and will be showing one by one, not one by one, like all together, like what is the difference, so that you can understand the basic difference between all of them. Like these are used for headings, like I have shown you right now that particular page. So and then H6. So this is the way you will write down all the tags. Now for running it, you will basically first set over here your particular web browser. So basically I have set Internet Explorer. You can do it whatever you want, and then you have to click on your basic particular file and you have to say run the file. So now over here you can see the web page has been generated, that is by the name of first web page. So this is the title, and now you can see that one is in H1, this is in 2 in H2 heading, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So all the 6 headings are being generated. So this is the way you can use all of the heading tags instead of putting every time the font tag or using the different type of font size. So this is basically the way you can use the heading tag while generating the HTML web page. So thanks for viewing my channel. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my videos to other viewers also. Thanks a lot.